Runs the scissors, sending star, sending star. Runs the scissors, sending star, sending star. Pile driver snap, pile driver snap, pile driver snap. Shiver me timbers 12,000, shiver me timbers 12,000, shiver me timbers 12,000, shiver me timbers 12,000, shiver me timbers 12,000. Pile driver snap, pile driver snap. Runs. Oh, okay. Runs the scissors, sending star, sending star. Foxy, Diva, Foxy, Celine, Diva, Anna. Okay, ladies, I'm going to do something. I found out that the VMAs are going to start at 5 p.m. in Los Angeles. I want you 1,000 plus 1,000 Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface psychopaths from Halloween Horror Nights and manifest some more to go to Halloween to go do the VMAs on the red carpet at 5 p.m. and even before, and have them go run around with real life chainsaws and go around dancing like that thing I showed you, Celine, like that, going right there. And then when all the stars make their don't kill these people, just freak the heck out of them, even the Illuminati people that are members of that stuff. And if someone wants to interview one of them and say, I says, I don't know how come guys have one of the Leatherfaces, I don't know how come you people like waste your time on stupid stuff like this, because as I tell you one thing for sure, I said, God is coming right now. I said, you guys are all going to die that do stupid stuff like this. You're all going to die. I said, you don't spend time with Jesus Christ. Why don't you spend some time for Jesus Christ and stop wasting your time on stuff that they don't even play music on MTV over here? What's up with that? You can have them say, and then you can have the crazy Leatherface go pick up his big old chainsaw and go, yeah, like the guy from Weird Science, the mutant guy, like that. And he goes running like a maniac out into the wild blue and starts chasing people, but he's not going to kill anybody, okay? You know? and then have someone go inside. And you know what? And another thing, everything that was thrown out from at 3:10 a.m., throw it at the VMAs, all at like a head rush, all head rushing. Clowns, killer clowns from outer space, all that weird stuff. Everything that I told you, and I want you to put House of 1,000 Corpses in the VMAs. Interrupt Ariana Grande's performance, Lady Gaga's performance. Interrupt all these things with the chainsaws and everything and all this stuff. These freaking like crazy dudes did full of blood and just looking like they just got done freaking like killing somebody. But it's not nice. Don't kill these people. It's fake blood, girls. Make it fake blood, not real. Okay. Make it fake blood. All right. Ooh, upside down. Okay. Fake blood. Okay, not real blood. All right. Make sure they get Hollywood and run around the Hollywood sign going, forget Hollywood. Hollywood sucks. Say Hollywood sucks. Burn this dang place down. Burn this dang place down. Have them recite Revelation 18 and 19, chapter 18 and 19, these crazy psychopaths, and throw all their, and then make them like dance around and throw their chainsaws and make them do a little, how do you do, and that's it, okay? And then just make the whole hellish parade just go out with the clowns and out the door. Just make everybody freak out, that's all. Make them